Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna be fixing this issue in Windows 11, the missing taskbar. As you guys can see, my taskbar has been disappeared, but don't worry, it's a simple fix. Let's dive right into it. So why does this happen? The reason for a missing taskbar in Windows 11 is because of the corrupted or broken Windows update. It can be quite annoying, but it is what it is. I recently updated my Windows 11 and this issue pop up. The solution is straightforward. We need to uninstall the recent update. So here's what you need to do. Open the settings. Since our taskbar is missing, we cannot use the Windows search. Instead, just press Windows plus I on your keyboard to open up the setting. In the setting menu, go to the Windows Update, click on the Update History, scroll down and click on the Uninstall Update. Select the most recent update that was installed and click Uninstall. The installation process will take a couple of minutes, so be patient. Once the update is installed, just restart your PC. That's it. As you guys can see, our taskbar is back and everything is working perfectly. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you guys in my next one. Peace.